If you work in Microsoft Word and you need a cleaner view of your document, hiding comments is one of the quickest things you can do. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to hide comments in Microsoft Word without deleting them, so you can focus on the content and keep your review notes safe for later. This is super useful when you're sharing a document, printing it out, or just trying to read without distraction. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, please hit like and subscribe for more simple Microsoft Word tips like this one. All right, let's get started. First, open your document in Microsoft Word. If your file has comments or track changes, you'll usually see them displayed along the side or inside the document as markup. That can be helpful during editing, but sometimes it makes the page feel cluttered. To hide those comments, look at the top of Word and click the Review tab. The Review tab is where Microsoft Word keeps all of its proofreading, tracking, and comment tools, so this is the right place to make the change. Once you're in the Review tab, look for the Tracking group. In that section, you'll see a drop-down that usually says something like All Markup or Simple Markup, depending on your current view. This drop-down controls how Word displays comments and edits. Click it, and then choose No Markup. As soon as you select No Markup, Microsoft Word will hide the comments and track changes from view. Your comments are not deleted, and your edits are not removed. They're just temporarily hidden so you can see the document without the extra notes on screen. This is a really important difference because a lot of people think hiding comments means removing them, but it does not. It simply changes the display mode. If you want to check the comments again later, just go back to the same drop-down in the Review tab and switch from No Markup to All Markup or Simple Markup. That will bring the comments back immediately. So if you're preparing a clean draft, sending a file to a client, or reviewing your own work without distractions, No Markup is the easiest option. It helps you focus on the final wording and layout instead of all the side notes. And if you're collaborating with other people, this is also a great way to preview the document as it will look without the visible comments. Just remember, if you want to actually delete a comment, that's a separate step. Hiding comments only changes the view, while deleting comments removes them permanently. So always make sure you're choosing the option that matches what you need. To recap, go to the Review tab, find the Tracking group, open the Markup dropdown, and select No Markup to hide comments in Microsoft Word. It only takes a second, but it can make your document much easier to read and present. If this video helped, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more quick Microsoft Word tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.